So my name is Judie McCoyd. The course that I teach for the summer is an interprofessional education class that has genetic counselors and social workers. The thing that grabs people is the new emerging adulthood stage, which now they say kind of reaches 18 to about 28 or 30. And the idea that there are social forces, like economic forces, that have basically created a new life stage really grabs people. So the idea that in 2008 the economy tanked and people could do all of the things they used to do, like go off to college, go off to grad school, but you're still not going to get a well-paying job, or you're still going to have a lot of fluctuation in living situation because there's so little by way of affordable housing. That there are these social pressures that create a life stage that's different, particularly for people who are in that age group. They love to know that they're not at fault, because a lot of times people view these sociological forces as individual faults. And I think it's part of what I love doing is to help people recognize that these social forces operate on people, and they don't, it is not their fault when they can't find the good job or find the affordable housing. One of the things I guess I would want people to know is that higher education gives you the opportunity to go into depth and explore something you're passionate about. And don't cut yourself off from that passion, because the passion is what carries you through when you have a boring reading. The passion is what carries you through when you have to get that paper out. I can tell you that 35 years later, I'm finding that passion still, and it really makes every day worth being here.